In today's video, I will walk you through how to teach online with Zoom. To get started, create your Zoom account and download the Zoom app to your device. For teaching, use the desktop application because it provides the full sharing controls and the most reliable performance. After the installation is complete, sign in and allow any available updates so everything runs smoothly during your class. Next, create a meeting. You can start an instant meeting if you want to practice or if you're ready to begin teaching right away. Once the meeting window opens, look at the control bar along the bottom of the screen. This is where you'll find the Share button that you'll use to present your lesson. Before you begin sharing, decide whether you want to show your entire screen or just one application. For teaching, choose a single application whenever possible. This keeps the presentation clean by showing only the content you want your students to see while hiding anything unrelated. Now prepare your slideshow. Open your presentation in PowerPoint, Keynote, or Google Slides and get everything ready before you begin sharing. If your presentation software includes a slideshow or play mode, switch to that mode so your slides fill the screen. Before continuing, close any unrelated tabs and silence notifications to keep the session free from distractions. Once your presentation is ready, return to your Zoom meeting. Click the Share button in the meeting controls to open the sharing window. You will see different options for what you can share. From the available options, select the application window that contains your slides instead of choosing your entire screen. Sharing only the presentation window helps keep the class focused on your lesson and avoids displaying your desktop, messages, or other open windows. When selecting your presentation, you may notice two different options. One may be labeled as the full screen presentation or slideshow, while another may be labeled as presenter view or show your notes. Make sure you choose the full screen presentation. Do not select the presenter view. This ensures that everyone in your meeting sees only your slides instead of your speaker notes or upcoming slide previews. After you begin sharing, check that everything is working correctly. You should see a green outline around your presentation along with a small sharing toolbar at the top of the screen. These indicate that your slides are being shared successfully. As you teach, speak clearly and move through your presentation by advancing the slides with your keyboard or a presentation clicker. Keep your mouse movements to a minimum so your presentation remains clean and professional for everyone watching. If you need to show something different during your lesson, return to the meeting controls and adjust your shared content as needed. Continue sharing only the material that supports your lesson before returning to your presentation. That's all there is to it. Create your Zoom account, download the desktop application, start a meeting, prepare your slides, click Share, choose the application window that contains your presentation, and select the full screen presentation instead of the presenter view. Once those steps are complete, you're ready to teach online with Zoom using a clean and professional screen share. Thank you for watching.